वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज देखेंगे नॉलेज ऑफ पॉक्सो, जो प्रिवेंशन ऑफ चाइल्ड फ्रॉम सेक्सुअल ऑफेंस एंड ऑल अदर चिल्ड्रन सेफ्टी रिलेटेड एक्ट्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया। भारत में पॉक्सो का क्या रूल है उसके बारे में हम जानेंगे। तो आज का पहला चैप्टर है प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड मैरिज एक्ट 2006, जो प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ चाइल्ड मैरिज एक्ट 2006 में एक बिल पारित किया गया रिगार्डिंग चाइल्ड मैरिज, जिससे हम प्रोहिबिशन करते हैं, मतलब निषिद्ध घोषित करते हैं। ठीक है, तो आइए पहले देखते हैं क्या लिखा है। दिस एक्ट में बी कॉल्ड द प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ चाइल्ड मैरिज एक्ट 2006। इट एक्सटेंड टू द होल ऑफ इंडिया and it applies also to all the citizen of India and beyond India। इंडिया के अंदर ही ये रूल लागू होता है। प्रोवाइडेड दैट नथिंग कंटेंट इन दिस एक्ट शैल अप्लाई टू द रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ द यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ पौंडीचेरी। तो यूनियन टेरिटरी में ये लागू नहीं होता है, उसके लिए स्पेशल प्रोविज़न होता है। इट शैल कम इनटू फोर्स ऑन सच दैट टू as the central government may by notification in the official gazetted appointment and different dates may be appointed for different states, and any reference in the provision of the commencement of this act shall be constructed in relation to the any state as a reference to the coming into force that provision in the state। तो इस इंडिया गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के द्वारा लागू किया गया है, लेकिन क्या करता है ना, हमारा जो स्टेट है, जितने भी स्टेट है, राज्य है, उसके लिए वो काम करते हैं। तो आइए इसका डेफिनेशन बोलते हैं। जो चाइल्ड किसे बोला जाता है? चाइल्ड इज ए पर्सन whose age is below 21 years of age, 21 years of age के नीचे, एंड अ फीमेल हैज़ नॉट completed 18 years of age, जो 18 साल के नीचे है, उसे हम चाइल्ड बोलते हैं। चाइल्ड मैरिज मीनिंग मैरिज टू व्हिच आइदर ऑफ द कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग पार्टीज इज ए चाइल्ड। जब दोनों ही बच्चे चाइल्ड होते हैं तो हम उसे चाइल्ड मैरिज कहते हैं। सोलेमनाइज मीन्स वॉइड। एक मैरिज को हम कहाँ से वॉइड कर सकते हैं? जहाँ पे मेल का उम्र 21 साल से कम है और गर्ल की उम्र 18 साल से कम है, तो उस केस में हमारा देश में केस मैरिज को वॉइड किया जाता है, मतलब निषिद्ध घोषित किया जाता है। इसके लिए चाइल्ड प्रोहिबिशन ऑफिसर्स अपॉइंटेड होते हैं। कौन सा में? सेक्शन 1 ऑफ सेक्शन 16, सेक्शन 16 के अंतर्गत सेक्शन 1 के अनुसार प्रोहिबिशन ऑफिसर अपॉइंटमेंट होते हैं। डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट मीन्स इन एनी एरिया फॉर व्हिच ए फैमिली कोर्ट एस्टाब्लिश्ड अंडर सेक्शन 3 ऑफ द फैमिली कोर्ट्स एक्ट 1984 exist। Such family code and in any area for which there is no family code but a city civil code exists that can in other area the principal civil codes of the original jurisdiction if at the time of filing a petition the petitioner is a minor, the petition may be filed through his or guardian or next friend along with the child marriage prohibition officer। The petitioner under this section may be filed at any time but before the child filing the petition complete 2 years of attending majority। Note 1. The words except the state of Jammu and Kashmir omitted by Act 34 of 2019 and 95 and the 15 scheduled with effect from 31/10/2019। तो ये कहाँ लागू नहीं होता है? हमारा जो स्टेट ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में लागू नहीं होता है। 1 November 2007 by notification number SO 185E dated 30 October 2007, see Gazette of Indian Expeditionary Party section 3(2)(y). While granting a decree of nullity under this section, the district court shall make an order directing both the parties to the marriage and their parents of their guardians to return to the other party. His or her parents or guardian, as the case may be, the money, valuable ornaments and other gifts received on the occasion of the marriage by them from the other side, or an amount equal to the value of such values, ornaments, other gifts and money, provided that no order under this section shall be passed unless the concerned party have been given notice to appear before the district court and show cause why such order should not be passed। ठीक है, तो आइए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। प्रोविजन फॉर मेंटेनेंस एंड रेसिडेंस टू फीमेल कॉन्ट्रैक्टिंग पार्टी टू चाइल्ड मैरिज। While granting a decree under Section 3, the district court may also make an interim or final order directing the male contracting party to the child marriage, and in this case, male contracting party to such marriage is a minor, his parent or guardians to pay maintenance to the female contracting party to the marriage until her remarriage. The quantum of maintenance payable shall be determined by the district court, having regard to the needs of the child, the lifestyle enjoyed by such child during her marriage and means of income of the paying party. The amount of maintenance may be directed to be paid monthly or in lump sum. In case the party making the petition under Section 3 is the female contracting party, the district court may also make a suitable order as to her residence until her remarriage। ठीक है, तो यहाँ बोला गया है जब मैरिज होता है दो पार्टी के बीच और दोनों ही बच्चे होते हैं, तो क्या होता है ना, प्रोहिबिशन ऑफिसर के पास पावर होता है जो कि ये शादी को वॉइड व नॉल कर सकता है। और डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट यानी सेशन कोर्ट, सिविल कोर्ट जहाँ पे है, फैमिली कोर्ट बोला जाता है, उसमें ही याचिका डाला जाता है बाय एनी अदर पर्सन, पेरेंट्स हो, फ्रेंड्स हो सकता है, जिसके भी पिटीशन फाइल करेगा वो पूरा लॉमसम अमाउंट, मतलब एक ही अमाउंट या कुछ पेड अमाउंट देना पड़ेगा अंडर सेक्शन 3 फीमेल पार्टी को अनटिल हर रीमैरेज, उसका रीमैरेज होने के लिए। कस्टडी एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ चिल्ड्रन ऑफ चाइल्ड मैरिज। उसके बाद आ गया काम क्या कर सकते हैं। कस्टडी मतलब किसे फीमेल पार्टी को दिया जाता है। कस्टडी एंड मेंटेनेंस ऑफ चिल्ड्रन ऑफ द चाइल्ड मैरिज। वेयर देयर आर चिल्ड्रन born of the child marriage, the district court shall make an appropriate order for the custody of such children। तो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट ही अब ऑर्डर देते हैं कस्टडी ऑफ चिल्ड्रन के लिए। While making an order for the custody of a child under this section, the welfare and the best interest of the child shall be the para amount considered to be given by the district court. As order for custody of a child may also be include appropriate direction for giving to the other party access to the child in such a manner as the best serve the interest of the child। Legitimacy of children born of child marriage। Notwithstanding that a child marriage has been annulled by a device by decree of nullity under section 3, every child begotten or conceived of such marriage before the decree as made whether born before or after the commencement of this act, we shall deem to a legitimate child for all purpose. Power of district court to modify order issues under section 4 and section 5. The district court shall have the power to add or modify the revoke any order matter making section 4 section 5. There is any change in the custom circumstance at any time during the pendency of the petition, even after the final disposal of the petition. Court to which petition should be made. For the purpose grant of relief under section 3, 4 and 5, the district court having jurisdiction shall include the district court having jurisdiction over the place where the defendant or the child residents, where the marriage was solemnized, where the parties are resided together, or the petitioner is residing on the date of the prevention of the petition. Punishment for male adult marrying a child. Whoever, being a major adult above 18 years of age, contracts a child marriage shall be punishable with negarious imprisonment at which may be extended 2 years or with fine which may be extended to 1 लाख रुपये और both. तो जब मेल पार्टी चाइल्ड है तो अकॉर्डिंग टू हमारा जुडिफिकेशन उसे क्या दंडित किया जा सकता है, 2 साल की जेल या 1 लाख रुपये का जुर्माना और बोथ किया जा सकता है. पनिशमेंट फॉर सोलिमनाइजिंग ए चाइल्ड मैरिज. Whoever perform conducts, directs, abets any child marriage shall be punishable with rigorous imprisonment which may be extended to 2 years and shall be liable to fine which may be extended to 1 lakh rupees unless he provides that he had reason to believe that the marriage act not a child marriage. Punishment for promoting or permitting solemnization of child marriage. Where a child contracts a child marriage, any person having charge of the child, whether as a parent or guardian of any other person or any other capacity, lawful, unlawful, including any member of the organization, association of a person who does any act of promise the marriage or terminates to be solemnized or negativity fails to prevent from being a solemnized, including attending a participation in a child marriage, shall be punishable. Power of court to issue injunction prohibiting child marriage. तो कोर्ट के पास ही पावर होता है जो कि चाइल्ड मैरिज को अवॉइड करने के लिए. नाउ विथ स्टैंडिंग एनीथिंग टू द कॉन्ट्रैक्टरी कंटेंट इन दिस एक्ट, if on an application of the child marriage, the prohibition occurs on receipt of information through a complaint, otherwise from any person, any judicial magistrate of this first class or metropolitan magistrate is satisfied with that a child marriage in contraventing of this act been arranged or is about to be solemnized, such magistrate shall issue an injunction against any person, including a member of an organization or association of person, prohibiting such marriage. तो इस किसके पास पावर होता है? कोर्ट के पास, सिविल कोर्ट के पास ही पावर होता है मैरिज को वॉइड करने के लिए. A complaint under subsection 1 may be made by any person having personal knowledge or reason to believe and a non-governmental organization having reasonable information relating to the childhood of the taking place of solemnization of the child marriage, old age child marriages. The court of the judicial magistrate of the first class or the metropolitan magistrate may also take summum convenience on the basis of any reliable report or information. For the purpose of preventing solemnization of mass child marriage on certain days such as Akshaya Tritiya, the district magistrate shall be deemed to be the child marriage provision officer with all powers such as conferred on a child marriage prohibition by or under this Act. Domestic magistrates are also have additional powers to stop or prevent solemnized of child marriage, and for this purpose he may take all appropriate measures and use the minimum force required. तो ये था आपका आज का सेशन. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियोज़. No injunction under subsection 1 shall be issued against any person of any organization or association of person unless the court has previously given notice to such person, members of the organization or association of persons, as the case may be, and has offered him for them opportunity to show cause against the issue of the injunction. An injunction issued under subsection 1 may be confirmed or vacated after giving notice hearing the party against whom the injunction was issued. The court may either on its own motion or on the application of any person aggregated, rescind or alter an injunction issued under subsection 1. When an application is received under subsection 1, the court shall afford the applicant an early opportunity of appearing before it either in a person or by an advocate, and if the court after hearing the applicant rejects the application wholly or in part, it shall record in writing its reason for so doing. Whomever, knowing that the injunction has been issued under subsection 1 against him, disobeys such injunction shall be punishment with imprisonment of either description of a term for which may be extended to 2 years and with a fine which may be extended to 1 lakh rupees or both, provided that no woman shall be punishable with imprisonment. हाँ, यहाँ पे वोमेन के लिए कोई भी पनिशमेंट नहीं है, लेकिन अगर जो बॉयज़ पार्टी है उनके लिए 2 साल की सज़ा और 1 लाख रुपीज़ की और बोथ हो सकता है. ठीक है, तो देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस. चाइल्ड मैरिज इन कॉन्ट्रावेशन ऑफ इंजंक्शन इन ऑर्डर टू बी void. Any child marriage solemnized in contravention of an injunction order issued under section 13, whether interim or final, shall be void ab initio. Offence to be cognizable and non-bailable. जो शादियाँ हो रहा है वो है cognizable, against law and non-bailable. ठीक है. Now to standing anything contained in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, 2 of 1974, an offence punishable under this Act shall be congeniable and non-bailable. ठीक है. तो आइए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं चाइल्ड मैरिज प्रोहिबिशन ऑफिसर. The state government shall by notification in the official gazette appoint for the whole state of such part thereof as may be specified in this notification an officer or officer to be known as the child marriage prohibition officer having jurisdiction over the area specified in the notification. तो जो चाइल्ड मैरिज प्रोहिबिशन ऑफिसर होता है उसे ही स्टेट गवर्नमेंट अपॉइंट करता है. ठीक है. The state government may also request a respectable member of the locality with a record of social service or an officer of the Gram Panchayat municipality or an officer of the government or any public sector undertaking or an offence bearing of any non-governmental organization to assist the child marriage prohibition officer. Such member, officer or office bearer as the case may be shall be bound to act and accordingly. It shall be the duty of the child marriage prohibition officer to prevent solemnized of child marriage by taking such action as he may deem fit, to collect evidence for the effective prosecution of person contradicting the provision of this Act, to advise either individual cases or counsel the residents of the locality generally not to indulge in promoting, helping, adding allowing the solemnization of child marriage, to create awareness of the evil which result from the child marriage, to sanitize the community of the issue of child marriage, to furnish such periodical returns and statistics as the state government may direct, and to discharge such other functions and duties as may be assigned to him by the state government. The state government may be notification in the official gazette subject to such condition and limitation, invest the child marriage prohibition officer with such power of a police officer as may be specified in the notification, and the child marriage prohibition official shall exercise such power subject to such condition and limitations as may be specified in the notification. The child marriage prohibition officer shall have the power to move the court for an order under section 4, 5 and 13 along with the child under section 3. Child marriage prohibition officer is a public servant. Child marriage prohibition officer shall be deemed to be the public servant within the meaning of section of 21 of the Indian Penal Code 45 of 1860. तो इंडियन पेनल कोड 1816-14 का सेक्शन 21 के अनुसार चाइल्ड मैरिज प्रोहिबिशन ऑफिसर को एज ए पब्लिक सर्विस सर्वेंट घोषित किया गया है. प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ एक्शन टेकन इन गुड फेथ. नो स्वीट प्रोसिक्यूशन और अदर लीगल प्रोसीडिंग शैल बी लाई अगेंस्ट द चाइल्ड मैरिज प्रोहिबिशन ऑफिसर in respect of anything in the good faith done, intend to be done in pursuance of this act, any rule or order made thereunder. Power of state government to make rules. The state government may by notification in the official gazette make rules for carrying out the provision of this act. Every rule made this under this act shall, as soon as may be after this made, the laid before the state legislature. Amendment and number of Act 25 of 1955. The Hindu Marriage Act 1955. तो नया एक्ट आया है हिंदू मैरिज एक्ट 1955. In this 18 of such clause the following clause shall be substituted, namely क्या है? In the case of contravention of the condition specified in clause 3 of section 5 with the rigorous imprisonment which may be extended to 2 years and with fine which may be extended to 1 lakh rupees or both. Repeal and saving. The Child Marriage Restraint Act 1929 is hereby repealed. Now standing such repeal all case other proceeding pending contained under the said act at the commencement of this act shall be continued and disposed in accordance with the provision of repealed act, and this act has not been passed. The Protection of Children from Sexual Offence Act 2012. So the Protection of Children from Sexual Offence Act POSCO 2012. Short title, extent and commencement. This act may be called as Protection of Children from Sexual Offence Act 2012. It extends to the whole of India. ये कहाँ तक लिमिटेड है? होल इंडिया में. It shall come into force on such date too as the central government may by notification in the official gazetted appointment. तो आइए देखते हैं डेफिनेशन क्या है सेक्सुअल प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ पोस्को का. Unless the context otherwise requires, aggravated penetrative sexual assault has the same meaning as the assigned to in the section 5. Aggravated sexual assault has the same meaning be assigned to in section 9. Armed force or security force means armed force for the union, security force or police force as specified in the schedule. Child means any person below the age of 18 years. The word except the state of Jammu and Kashmir omitted by Act 34 of 2009. तो 34 और 2019 के अंदर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर को इसे बाद दिया गया है. एंड द 15th शेड्यूल्ड. 14th November 2012 by notification number SO 2705 dated 9th November 2012, see Gazette of Indian Extraordinary Part 3.